So I am at the airport. Hi guys, I just picked up the phone and decided to start vlogging. Got my laptop. I got to get this stuff off my camera so that I can have space to record while I'm gone. Sorry I'm starting my day like this, but I've only had a few hours of sleep, so yeah. But I'll see you guys when I get to the destination. So I'm on my flight. You guys can see where we're going when I get there.
Alright, at this time the front door's been closed, so we do ask that you switch your cell phones to airplane mode until we get on the ground, and all cell phones need to go in airplane mode at this time. Also, we ask that you stow your larger laptops for takeoff and then again for landing. Flight attendants, please arm doors for departure and cross-check.
Yeah. I'm nervous. I keep sneezing. My allergies are getting the best of me right now.
Anchor Tom, cross-check complete.
No need at all. Gotta get on top of this ASAP. Yeah. So, on the flight. Of course, I have to get the stand though. Child. Some flights I don't need them, some flights I do. But what I do know is I won't be
Alright, ladies and
needing them
gentlemen,
for long.
have your attention for just a moment. We're going to put out safety vision for a 737-800 series. A safety information card is in the seatbelt for your pocket.
I need to clear up some space on my camera so
From
that I can have
simply slide flat into the buckle.
room to vlog.
To unfasten, lift on the buckle and will release. All seatbelts should be worn high and low across your hips. We are going to 8 emergency exits, 240.
got Normandy and Weston. Slauson, all that stuff is like within 10-20 minutes of each other.
How long did it take y'all to get there?
3.5.
Okay. It's like Kansas City.
Yeah.
What y'all been doing? Besides going to California? It's Mandalay. Oh no. Y'all in Mandalay Bay right now, right?
Yeah, we about to go check in at Hallis.
Oh, okay.
Which is, I think, close to you.
Yeah. Well, just about. The hash house over there. The link right next door.
Hash house is outside of what's the name of them?
It's in the link.
It's in the link.
Oh, it's not in Rio no more. I mean, in Stratosphere no more.
They had a bunch of locations, but I think it's only one now.
We ain't been to the hash house.
Y'all gotta go. I mean, yo, what you pay, what you be paying for food, like out here, you get so much. I'm vlogging. You get a lot of food.
I went to the hash house. We got a little cheapy.
And a little broken.
And broken.
Right.
I want a burger. That burger, you know that burger earlier. We didn't get a chance to recap. Rather saying,
okay, look.
I want some Burger King or I want some McDonald's.
See, I asked her, I say, what you want? You know what I'm saying? Just do a burger. Oh, great.
Hey Siri, where's Walgreens? It's on the, I told you where's that, baby. You know where you are?
Walgreens.
But yeah, we got this voucher to eat at this place called, what is it called?
I ain't ate.
Starting route to
It's called
Walgreens.
Pampas. P-A-M-P-A-S.
Head west on East Tropicana Avenue.
I don't want to spin that up because we not going to have no time to do none of that shit tomorrow.
What time y'all flight leave? Oh, okay. Y'all trying to rent a win when y'all get ready to go?
Them like got it going on though.
Yeah, they got the best hotel.
Yeah. Them like killing.
What's that?
MGM them. Basically.
It's a subscription.
Yeah.
I'm going to get them on this.
That's the hotels that's like
Connected to them
Yeah.
MGM resorts. Aria is another hotel connected to or owned by MGM. Nice.
I think they was gonna give me. This is a cool little view.
This is probably one of the best views for the dollar.
One day I'm gonna stay at the Cosmopolitan though. One day. I just like the balcony. Finna go. I'm gonna leave my camera here because I don't feel like toting it. I said I'm gonna leave my camera here because I don't feel like toting it.
Man, T, that was one of my biggest hassles. Like, it's like...
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, I need this footage, man.
Some good lighting right here though.
Your boy got keys. SPGGFX, we in Vegas. 36.
Just celebrated 36 a few days ago, so he's been here for a week tomorrow. I think he came and bought moved into an apartment. Ain't telling nobody.
I'm not coming back.
But I'm gonna stay here and let my battery charge. Then I'll be back. Peace. You guys, I have put my bonnet on. I'm back from my little long day. It is 2 a.m. here. Is it really 2 a.m.? I mean, it's 4 a.m., which means I ain't been asleep in over 2 hours, in over 24 hours. I slept, well, I ain't gonna lie, I slept for about 3 hours. So I'm about to hop in the shower and get in this bed. I'm gonna take some medicine because my sinuses won't let me be great. I'm getting this bed, child. That's what I'm on. Where you at? My phone ringing. Anyway. Alright. So I'm closing out this vlog for today. That is Wednesday that is Wednesday. It's a wrap. Peace.